Oh my gosh. Look at this Chevy Impala SS. Dude, check out those tires. All I can say is, wow. I always loved the Impala SS. 07, 147,000 miles. That's not bad, really, for an 07. Oh, man, that's pretty clean. Other than a Band-Aid right here. Get out of here. This thing runs and drives. Man, I don't know if you know much about the Impala SS. Uh-oh. Something is stuck. I hear it clicking. Got a Kenwood radio. Let's see if this baby starts up. Oh, yeah. 5.3 V8. Heck yeah, man. It's got a little tick to it. Just a little tick. It's not bad, but it is ticking. We gotta drive this thing. I can't pass this up. Holy brakes. Okay, this visor's a pain in the ass. It won't fold up. Dude. It's been a long time since I've driven one of these. It's pretty decent shape, really, for an 07. I mean, most of these things they get ass whipped on big time. But look at this thing. It's pretty freaking clean. Got a sunroof, back seat, all the leather looks good. I mean, it needs a good wiping down, you know what I mean? And it needs those tires to be gotten rid of. But I don't know, they're kind of cool on the other hand. Somebody had those specially made, baby, for this car. Some super sports. I mean, 147,000, 5 miles. Just turned over. We got some Georgia State Patrol Chargers here, too. Some Hemi-powered Chargers. They have some of those just about every week. I'll check one out sometime. I'm not going to today, but I'll check out one day. Man, this thing sounds mean. And if you've never driven one of these things are fast. I mean, they squeeze a 5.3 Vortec in the front. I'm afraid to really punch it. Oh, God. Yep. Peeling. Oh, man. Here we go. Yeah, that was 50% throttle. There was no way I was putting the hammer all the way down. Whoo, boy, that was quick enough. Quick enough. So cool, though. Not a bad car, really. Like I said, right on startup, it had kind of just a very slight, little lifter tick. It could be gone now that I've driven it a minute and the oil's gotten good and circulated through the motor. But, if somebody spent these 147,000 miles just hammering it foot to the floor, who knows? It could be something permanent. But I'll tell you what, it shifts perfect. Air's cold. It's got a nice Kenwood stereo in here. Looks like we got Bose speakers. Hey, I mean, I don't think it's too shabby. I think it's A-okay, man. There's some more state patrol cars. There is a Honda, a 2009 Honda Odyssey that is going to be at the Chattanooga auction tomorrow morning. And it has 598,000 miles on it. And I ain't kidding you. Because I was looking right at it earlier. Isn't that something? You know, that tick is ever so slightly there. It almost could pass for a small exhaust leak at the manifold. But it's hard to say, really. But dadgum, what a cool car. Pretty straight. You know, I'm not crazy about some of the aftermarket stuff, but it's pretty clean for an 07. Hell, this thing's old. Someone's loved on it pretty good. I mean, especially to spend that kind of money on some freaking tires like that. I wonder who made these tires. Because it looks like they look like they were Dunlops, and someone had this, you know, a shop do that over the top. Huh. Anyway, well, like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think about this Impala. We'll see you next time. Peace.